hours from the city. I've been walking downtown every day. Despite of this, I always try to fit in. When they consume my head, I hate this feeling. I wanna be a paragon, not a villain. I hate the city, but I stay for you. My love's so pretty, and I always will. From the day we met, I